This 2025 Jayco Jay Feather 19MRK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 23 feet 2 inches in length and features a vintage farmhouse interior, sleeps 2, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Murphy Bed. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco Jay Feather 19MRK is 4,960 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.